Hi, I'm Paula at Tri-State Sewing Back, and we're a handy quilter dealer. And I have Anita Goodesigns. It's going to be like a banner, like a sign to hang up in here when I'm done. Anyway, my friend Kathy did most of the work here, putting it all together, but I'm going to quilt it. And I'm actually doing, it's Stitch in the Ditch. I'm working with the Amara, handy quilter Amara 20-inch throat. And I'm working with the Move feature. But you have to kind of babysit it. You got to kind of walk with it here as it goes to make sure that it's going to stay in the ditch. I do have a batting between here, and I've got some black fabric on the back that when I'm done, I'm hoping to wrap it around the front to do a mitered corner with that orange, so it's going to kind of pop. So this is something into custom quilting when you do it. You have to take your time. You can't be in a hurry. Okay, so now I just need to do one more and then I can go up. I could come in a little bit closer so you can see. Anyway, I'm quilting it with white so you can't really see the white, and I've got black on the back because I've got black fabric on the back. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little taste of what I do. This is called custom quilting when you take your time and do one block at a time, or stitch in the ditch. Especially with something like this. It's actually just to hold it all together. We sell the equipment in here, plus I do custom quilting. I've done lots of different quilts for hire. Plus we can also train you on this system, and then you can trying to think what to call it, that you can pay for time on the machine, rent it like in the store here, but you have to be trained first. So I'm Paula at Tri-State Sewing Back. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. We have a whole lot to offer you in here. We're gearing up for the Christmas season, and Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and we've got some great deals going on. Stop and see us. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching. Have a fruitful day. Bye.